for me?
Oh, this is so cool.
Yes. One here. Perfect. All right, we're all here. Good. Welcome to the workshop. I know. Thank you. Yes, I know. It's a lot. Nice you've met my fellow gatherers. And you may call me Kembe. Now, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me clarify something. Some of this is new junk. Allow me to explain. You see, we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers, for we search the galaxy for ancient relics. We look in abandoned places, forgotten outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper would see nothing but worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. We all know the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes?
Yeah.
Ah, well, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. She was a scrapper like us. What's her name?
Ray.
Rey. And what she is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead. And to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of the galaxy's greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art, for the saber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, you will feel that connection. So let us begin. We start with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the Kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say the Kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. For example, blue, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, beautiful and rare, like the one wielded by the great Mace Windu. Red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. Today we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your Kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Builders, close your eyes and picture it. What crystal is calling out to you? What color do you see in your mind? Now open your eyes and take your crystal. And remember, friends, that crystal may be choosing you.
Oh, that feels so cool.
Well done, friends. Now, if you haven't already, place your crystal on the green crystal holder in front of you. It is time to combine that crystal with the unique lightsaber design you have selected. You're going to be building your hilt. Now, the hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber and the center of control. The hilt is also the thing that keeps your hand from being disintegrated.
Oh.
In the boxes in front of you, you'll find all the components you need to construct your very own lightsaber. They have been arranged by our gatherers to facilitate this build. Now here you will find your chassis, your activation plates, your grips, your emitter, and your pommel cap. building a lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you have selected your Kyber crystal, you will now select the individual pieces that make up your own unique lightsaber's design. Our gatherers are here to help. Follow their instruction and advice. Ready? Let's build!
Yes, we're going to start picking up that chassis, just like this, with these lines here facing towards the ceiling. This is going to be the top of our weapon, alright?
Okay.
After that, go ahead and pick up those Kyber crystals, find that pointy part. What we're going to do is push it up towards the ceiling, very gently with the bottom. I'm going to slide it into the middle, so that it's standing straight up and down, just like mine, okay? We're going to give your crystal a spin for it. Perfect, well done. No worries. If you need some help, just let me know, okay? You see the blue and red square on your chassis? You choose one matching set of activation plates. When you look inside each half, you'll see those same colors.
Okay.
Blue's going to match with blue, red's going to match with red.
Now you'll select your
Yeah, no worries. I'll show you how I like to do it. Push up, just like so. Very gently. Bottom. Should go right on inside.
Oh.
There you are, okay?
Alright, thank you.
No problem. You see the blue and red squares on that chassis?
Oh, okay.
You choose one matching set of activation plates. When you look inside, you'll see those same colors.
Okay.
Cool.
Go to red, blue's going to go to blue. These are going to go right over those Kyber crystals. Go ahead and slide up on that switch.
No, I like this one.
Want to hear. Now you can move on to your grips over here in stations 1 and 2.
Okay.
You'll see 4 of them. You can choose 2 favorite pieces. Wide silver bands are going to go towards the middle.
Okay.
Slide up on that switch. Perfect. Next, you can move on to your grips. These copper bands are going to go towards the center. Choose one for the top, one for the
Kind of like. But that looks like my other one.
And once we're happy with one of those, we're going to push and twist until they get nice and snug.
No, I want this one. So what now?
You're going to push and twist until they get nice and snug. We don't want to over tighten them.
Oh, okay.
Next, we can move on to our emitters over here in station 3. I'm going to choose one of the 2. It's going to spin right on the top.
It's not going to go here because the center is
The emitters. Oh yeah.
When it's off, that means your energy is inside your chassis. Good? Alright, so now you're going to choose any 2 out of these 4 grips, any 2 you want.
After that, my friend, you can go ahead and choose your final piece. It's going to be that pummel cap. It's going to go in the same way that the emitter did, right on the bottom.
We'll do this one.
Same thing for you, my friend. Whenever you're ready, that pummel cap's waiting for you. It's going to go in the same way that emitter did. Once you guys are happy with those builds, go ahead and leave them on these house stands. I'll take one last look here.
One will go on the bottom. Just make sure that the thickest band in the middle where the writing is.
Now, if anybody tells us to activate, very nice. We're going to slide up on the switch to deactivate, right back down. That's for you, my friend. Can I take this out of your way? Congratulations.
I'm gonna get the clip that does both of them. Yeah, there's a ring in there too. How tight does it have to be?
I'm sorry?
How tight does it should be?
Just nice and snug. We don't want to over tighten it.
Okay.
Good. Congratulations. It looks very nice.
Thank you.
Now, when Kevin tells us to activate, very important, all we're going to do is slide up on the switch to deactivate, right back down again.
Okay.
That's for you, my friend.
Cool.
Take this out of your way.
Yeah.
Perfect. Great job.
Nice and tight. You're going to choose the emitter for the top, and then a pummel cap for the bottom.
This one's pretty fucking. This one's pretty fucking heavy.
Forging your own path, yes? Very good. Now these components, we actually forge them ourselves. We use reclaimed metal. So your lightsabers actually started their life as the hull of a starship. Yes? They've been out there in the galaxy, they have their own story. Now they come to you. You can add to that story, yes? Very good, yes? How do you feel? Beautiful design. Now what inspired this today? Were you inspired by a specific Jedi or Sith Lord? I thought so. I was hoping you'd say that. Yes, she's one of my favorites as well. I think Rey would definitely approve of this lightsaber. Very good. Let it guide you, my friend. Very nice. How do we feel? Yes.
Awesome.
Good. Beautiful. Very nice. Beautiful designs. How do you feel? Good. Very good. These are great designs. You should all be proud of your work. In fact, everyone, take a moment. Hold your hand out towards your saber. Feel that connection. And now, my friends, it's time to back away Everyone take a step back. Allow room for our gatherers. For we must stabilize our kyber crystals. Now the gatherers are placing your hilts into our crystal stabilization chambers. This must be done to
Oh, this is so
make
cool.
sure we stabilize those crystals and those components, make sure they work in harmony. The last thing we want is a misfire or an explosion. Basically, I don't want any more holes in my ceiling. But don't worry, you're in good hands here with the gatherers. They know exactly what they're doing. What's happening?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. My friends, in a moment I will invite you to step forward and place your hand on the hilt of your lightsaber. Then, on my command, we will all activate our lightsabers together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Then it is time. Step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Raise your lightsabers.
Oh, this is so fucking cool.
Congratulations, my friends. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the Sith who came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. It only takes one spark. Well done, friends. Well done. Please deactivate and lower your sabers.
Oh, that is so cool.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So keep your new lightsabers close. Keep them safe and keep them hidden. And if a stormtrooper should see it and ask where you got it, we never met. Well, my friends, our time has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. You are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you have built. It is time to make your mark across the galaxy. For who knows, next time, we may be telling your story. Raise and activate your lightsabers. Till the spire.
The fire.
The galaxy awaits, my friends, and you can lead us right through that doorway. Well done, friends. Go and seek your destiny. Well done.
Thank you.
Choose wisely. Thank you.
Yeah, save it back later.
I know. Oh, this is cool.